Stephen Townsend Murphy Party of 1844-1845 was the first immigrant party to use this route over the Sierra Nevada, considered the most difficult of all the crossings in this range. On October the 31st, 1846, heavy snows near the east end of the lake halted an immigrant party led by George Donner. The party had departed from Illinois in the spring of that year. After falling victim to ill-advised detours and suffering other delays, the Donner Party found itself attempting to cross the Sierra during an early and severe winter. Most of the party remained trapped at the lake, but several members struggled through the snow to obtain help at Sutter's Fort in Sacramento. The survivors were rescued 5 months later after suffering great hardships. Of 89 people who began the trek, only 47 survived. The story of the Donner Party, as well as other information about the history of the region and the railroad, can be found at Donner Memorial State Park. The park is located at the east end of the lake. The park has a museum, open year-round,